A very good morning to all my beautiful kids of K-Tech High School and Junior College. Children, today in this session we are going to revise objective and grammar. But let me tell you children that this objectives and grammar is not enough. This is the only topic where you can score more marks. So I would request you to see through entire grammar and objectives of your second term for better understanding. This is where doing the part, that is recapitulating it. So let's get started children. Revision objectives. Do as directed. Now do as directed means whatever you are told you must only do that. Not more, not less. The loyal fans cheered the team. Pick out the adjective. Now this is a sentence given to you. From this sentence you have to pick out the adjective. So loyal is the adjective. She refused to share her secret. Now make a sentence negative by using wouldn't. But the meaning should not change. I have always told you when you are making negative affirmative, when we were doing in our grammar, what we do, we never change the meaning of the sentence. So she wouldn't share her secret. Number 3, smoking is injurious to health. Pick out the gerund. Smoking. What is injurious? You get ing, right? Smoking. That is smoking. Kite flyers demonstrated their skills with exotic kites. Identify the tense. Now tell me the tense what it is. It is simple past tense. Demonstrated. Demonstrate is a verb, root verb, and ed is added to it. It becomes past tense. Second form of a verb. The scenario is changing for worse. Change to past tense. Is changing is a present tense. Now you have to change to past. To the scenario had changed to past. And had is what? Perfect. So what is the instruction given to you? Past perfect. So you have to add had. People haggled over the price of kites. Change to past continuous. People were haggling. People is what? Collective noun, right? Many. So you will use, for plural you will use were. Haggling over the price of kites. You dash borrow my camera. Giving a permission. Now what word you will use for permission? Modal verb. Insert a modal verb. Can. You can. Means I am giving you permission to use my camera. Behrman was a heartless person. Correct the statement. Was he a heartless? No. Behrman was a kind-hearted person. So you have to correct the statement which is wrongly given. There was no breeze. Use hardly. There was hardly any breeze. But the meaning does not change when you add a new word. Dash as a lark. Fill in the comparison. As humble as a lark. Next question. Identify the tenses. Now you have to identify tenses. Means what tense the statement belongs to. The ambulance arrived in no time. It is simple past tense. The scenario is changing. Present continuous tense. I have been. Have and been is there. So it is present perfect, or coordinating is ing wala. So I have been coordinating with the authorities means present perfect continuous tense. We had been discussing on this issue since long. Had is a past, been is a perfect, discussing is continuous. It is past perfect continuous tense. You will have heard the last word on the topic when you are back. Future perfect tense. She will be working on the mission, future continuous tense. But for tenses, children, you have to do it really very well. This is not enough. There are many sentences I have given in the videos, right? So tenses, please do revise. This is just recapitulating, children. State the kind of non-finite verbs. Now we have done finite and non-finite. Non-finites are of three types, divided in gerunds, participles and infinitives. Gerunds and participle are with ing, and sometimes it in the past participle ed, right? But an infinitive is just with to ahead of the verb. But to recognize gerund, you have to use the word what, and when you get that word with ing, that is a gerund, right? I saw a boy pulling a bag with a great difficulty. What a bag with great difficulty? No, you are not getting pulling. So here the pulling is what? Participle, right? Pulling, present participle, but if you will write participle. Flattered by the praise, the peacock danced beautifully. Now flatter is a verb, ed, so it is a participle. It is a past participle, but you have to write down participle. Learning is a wonderful process. What is a wonderful process? Learning. So you got it is a gerund. You got your answer. We friends love to play. Your root verb is play. Ahead of it is what is written to. So it is infinitive. Riding was her passion. What was her passion? Riding. You got your answer? So it is a gerund. We had to do our part well, irrespective of result. To do. It is infinitive. Identify the figure of speech. Now I am repeating, children. As I told you, this is not enough. You have to see other videos for better understanding. Identify the speeches. Ram is as wise as owl. Ram is compared to owl who is wise. So it is simile. The wind howled all night, creating magic. The wind howled. Wind is given a quality of howling like a fox. So it is personification. The secret travels faster than the speed of light. Hyperbole, exaggeration. There was a silent scream for justice. Oxymoron. If it is a silent, how can you can scream, because scream में तो आवाज होती है. So it is opposite ideas. Oxymoron. Charlie's cat Caramel created cute clutter and a comic chaos. C sound is repeated. Charlie's cat Caramel created with k sound to alliteration. Ding dong bell, pushy in the well, onomatopoeia. Now fill in the blanks from your Bal Bharti. Heaven's guardian was again transformed into dash, shining gold. You have to write down. Stephen Hawking was a renowned astrophysicist. The International Kite Festival is held at Ahmedabad. Fiberglass led to creating power-driven aeroplane. The civilian bees make honey from nectar. Ramanujan mother had a great respect for goddess Namakkal. Give one word for. Well experienced, skilled, old-fashioned, traditional. A doctor who treats animal, veterinarian. Roof of gold, honey. Handwritten document, manuscripts. An award given by University in England, fellowship. Now children, that's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed this session, and once again, this is the third time I'm reminding you, please go through entire grammar. It is for your own benefits, children. Thank you, children, for being very patient with me. Love you all and see you soon, children.